Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming MIUI and signing into your phone. This ensures the menus match the steps I'll give. Once done, backup settings so you can restore if needed. Next, open Settings, tap Passwords and Privacy, then Privacy to find Personalized Ads and turn it off. This reduces targeted video ads across apps. Make sure you disable ads before uninstalling or force-stopping system services to avoid temporary pop-ups while you continue. Now you go deeper to stop the ad engines. Open Settings Apps Manage Apps, find MSA, MIUI system ads, and force stop it, then clear data. Do the same for Get Apps and My Browser. Once done, open Security App Settings and turn off Get Recommendations, and in My Browser, disable Content Suggestions. You should also review app notification permissions and revoke any app that pushes promotional videos so they cannot show full-screen ads. Finish by rebooting your phone and testing common apps to confirm ads are gone. You'll notice less intrusive video content once system recommenders are off. If a specific app still shows ads, uninstall or update it and disable auto-updates for that app. Make sure you reinstall only trusted apps. If ads persist, reset app preferences first. If nothing changes, perform a factory reset as a last resort. Backup data first. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.